And overdo it, I'd go exceed my time. Mi mai ra aku rangatira mi maki rangara ki te harako te kaupapa he tonga nā tātou katoa ai he tonga nā tātou katoa he tonga moa tātou tamariki me ngā mokopuna i te aomarama i te huarai i hau. Mō te kariti, mō te wharewānanga, o tātou tāmaki makaura, Mese, Waikato, Victoria. Te wharewa, te wānanga, awanui arangi, me raukaua, me Aotearoa hoki. Kua hau, ko hikarangi te maunga, waiapu te awa, Ngāti Parau te iwi, me te hapu o te whānau rua taupare, ko Peo Matahiki toko ingoa, e tupu ake a hau, i te taira pite, ko te taone nui ko Tukumaru Bay. Engari, taku mahi i nainei, ki roto i te wharawānanga o tātou ko te tumuaki, o te okamātaraka, tōku reo, taku tūpuna, te hunga mātauranga, te pare ki te tautoko, me te manakitanga, me te tiaki, i a tātou tauira Maori, e haere mai nei, e pai tohu nei, i te wharawāranga. Ka huri. Firstly, on behalf of our Vice-Chancellor and the University of Otago, I would like to thank Ms. Kingi and the college for the honour for both Korohata and I to come and be present at your prize giving. And this evening, I'm absolutely blown away, to tell you the truth. This is just amazing, and I congratulate you all, your teachers, the tauira, but mostly to the whānau, to all your whānau. And I would like you all, homai te paki for the whānau, please. Homai te paki. Because being at Otago and watching young Maori and our Pākeke from 17 to maybe 70 into the corridors of academia of the oldest university in the country. And yes, we think it's the best, but and like Tautoko, Victoria saying they're the best, and so forth. But however, your whānau have put you through the kura and life skills that you have gained. You are going to take a different pathway as you enter tertiary. And your year 12 were correct, you do need a survival pack, I'm telling you now. And as I said, the honour is ours. I also congratulate the college on celebrating 150 years. In 2 years, our university will celebrate 150 years of the first university in New Zealand. And yes, it is very white. Yes, there are a lot of people who wear a coat. They look old, they look like glasses and everything. However, the manaki down there from tangata whenua and from the university to young people that travel all the way throughout the world to Otago is immense and very supportive to ensure that you come there, you stay there, and you go home with a tohu, and it will make a difference, not only for you, but your whānau, your hapu, and your iwi. And as I said, that survival pack, you will have homesickness. You are not, mum and dad are not around the corner, they are an island away. They're an airfare away, and that costs a lot of money. Especially if you're from small towns like Napier, Texas, Tokomaru, Whangarei, Wanganui, and you're flying out of Dunedin. Air New Zealand make a lot of money on our students. There are very few discounts, but if you are, especially this brilliant lot on the rock on my left, are planning to travel down soon, I will tell you now to start booking your tickets. because I would say most of them have been booked, because your first program on the 19th of February 2018 is the Pōhiri, and we will take all first year Māori students to Puketaki Teraki Marae, that will be hosted by Ngāi Tahu to welcome Māori students to Otago. You will need financial assistance, you will need to learn how to cope with most probably $190 a week.
Wow.
And it's not easy when you're away from home, and you need to learn that going out the weekend, that $50 is not what you need for that weekend. You need to stay home and maybe study, because mum and dad might need you home the weekend. You will meet friends, and those friends could become your partner for life. However, you could meet girlfriends, boyfriends, and when you break up, it is a disaster because you're away from home. I'm pleased Korohata and I are going to meet your parents this evening and tomorrow, because it will remind you that we've met them. If you don't listen, I will ring them. And if they're not home, I'll ring Miss Kingy. The other thing you need to be aware of, we run tuakana programs, but you're very fortunate here to the lovely wahine of the future, is you've got tuakana already at Otago. And remember that, do not be shy, please do not be shy to come and see them or us if you need help. We are there to support you, to support your pathway to ensure the success of iwi Māori. As I said, don't be shy. Please come and ask for help. Everyone says the world is your oyster. For Māori it isn't, because we love tio. And you're going to meet me, and I'm the gem you're going to remember. However, it's more likely to be like a kina. You'll come across heaps of prickly leaf situations along the way. Thank you, Miss Kingy, for inviting us. This has been absolutely amazing. I've got a little tonga that I brought with me for the students planning to come to Otago. And firstly, I have to give my cards to the two wahine who are coming down to do Tukahika program, and that is Paratai and Marie. I'm giving you my cards because I need you to put your address on, because I didn't bring enough packs and I'm quite embarrassed, but I will send them to your home address. Okay, and I'm going to ask Lyric, because in these packs I found out what you were studying. There's a book in there called Whānau Guide. I want you to give that to your whānau. Okay, it just tells them what's down there from a Te Ao Māori perspective. But in these little packs, I've actually put in there the code of study, or the choice of study you're looking at. I'm absolutely thrilled that our university has offered 7 scholarships. Some of them might be in for a surprise, because if you've got good marks, very good marks, our VC tops up the scholarship. And their scholarship will go towards their accommodation. As we all know, the fees could be free next year. That's another course, and thanks to the government. However, have a great Christmas, everybody, and good luck to the current girls with their exams. I hope your journey will go into tertiary or into the trades. That we need people, as plumbers and carpenters, because we all need a house. Ko mutu o kinei whakaaro ki tēnei wā. Ara, he taonga, he koha, he kurapona.
Kia ora. Kai koe te toko waru e whiwhi nei karahipi, hara mai. Aniwa? Is it?